Hello, welcome back to my channel, Teamy and Kana World. Kids can learn crafting, drawing, poem, story, and many more things from our channel. Today, we are going to make ladybug by using origami craft papers, and I will also tell you about ladybug. Ladybugs are small, colorful insects with round bodies. They belong to beetle family. Most ladybugs are red with black spots, but they can have other colors too. They are harmless to people and do not bite or sting. Ladybugs are helpful because they eat plant eating pests. They have six legs and two pairs of wings. The bright colors of ladybugs warn predators to stay away. Ladybugs can live in gardens, forests, and fields. In winter, they stay in groups to warm themselves. Ladybugs lay tiny eggs on leaves. People love seeing ladybugs because they are good for the environment. Baby ladybugs look different. They can fly short distance. Some ladybugs are yellow or orange. I like ladybug because they are cute. Now it's time for a small poem on ladybug. Ladybug, ladybug, fly away home. Your house is on fire and children's are gone. All except one, and that's little Anne, for she crept under the frying pan. Thank you for watching. For more crafting videos, like my video, subscribe my channel, and if you know more about ladybugs, you can tell in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.